Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair, 2009 Kia Spectra, doing a blower motor and a resistor. Passenger side, under the dash. So the blower motor is going to have 3 Phillips head screws, one there, one back in the back. Pretty easy to get to. You just got to kind of mess with this little harness right here in order to get the blower motor up and out of the way. Blower motor resistor right next to it, same thing, 2 screws right there. Disconnect. Now these have not a normal connector, but just little terminal spades. So you can put this in backwards if you don't watch it. So watch when you take it off, as far as the connector, the 2 terminals and stuff like that. If you hook it up backwards, fan works, but just spins in the opposite direction, so you don't have very good airflow. So you can easily switch it around and stuff. You just need to make sure that you put that in the same position and stuff like that, so when you take it off, just remember it. Or just hook it up, hope for the best, and if not, you got a 50-50 chance. So worst case scenario, you got to go and swap out the terminals, just switch them around and stuff, because like I said, the fan will work, it just will not blow out the vents very hard because it's spinning in the opposite direction. So just make sure you test it before you walk away and all that kind of good stuff. I replaced this blower motor resistor because it only worked on fan speed 4, which is high, which is direct power bypassing the resistor itself and going directly to the fan. Now you can replace just the resistor and that will likely cure it, but it probably won't cure it for very long, because what blows those resistors out is usually a fan that is getting extremely high resistance, either with corrosion in the motor or the connector or anything like that. When it gets too hot, it blows out the resistor, and therefore you only have fan speed 4. So even if you replace just the resistor itself, it's likely going to blow out again, depending upon how much you use the blow motor. So I typically replace both, because that is what usually causes a resistor to fail in the first place. So just get them both done at the same time and away you roll. But this one's a pretty easy job, about 15 minutes. You just got to kind of contort yourself up in there in order to get those screws. So a long screwdriver or a ratcheting screwdriver works best, and then Phillips head or whatever to disconnect the connector for the resistor, or sorry, flathead. But anyway, whichever you like to use. But any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.